It's Ari McIntyre, your resident roaming psychic friend. How are you? As you know, January 2010, we saw some devastation in Haiti. I've been spending the last couple of weeks myself doing prayers and meditation, hoping and just praying for the survivors and blessing a country that's in disarray. This is going to be a devastating time, and so that I ask that anyone who sees this, please pray for Haiti. Moving right along, we just had a new moon in Leo, which was today, January 30th. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about astrology, the moon's position in full gives life to each sign. It actually gives that sign more energy than you can possibly imagine. And Leo, which is just a sign of fun, it's actually ruled by the sun. You got a chance to shine like never before. I've been doing astrology for over 12 years, so I'm just going to bring you my little tidbits. Now, for the rest of the Earth sign, I've just got a little insight from Ms. Ari Mac for the Earth trilogy, which would be Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is the time for you to write down your pros and your cons on whatever projects you're doing. The more visual you are, the more practical you are, the more you'll do manifestation. Okay, so this is the time to write out everything and make some decisions. Now, from my Earth trilogy, which is Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, this is the time when you have to shift into a better mental consciousness. You're going to be very emotional. Jupiter just went into Pisces. Thank you very much. And it's going to give you a lot more expanding in your psychic ability. It could also make you more emotional, so you got to figure out which way you want to go. Personally, I think it's about staying spiritual and staying focused on the long-term goals. Fire. That trilogy would be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is your time to shine. You actually have this extra energy to go out and make things happen. You just need to bring the right group of people with you. So I would suggest focusing on ensembles, people that make you feel good, people that actually give you energy, not people who play with your mind, make you feel guilty, and overall just put a damper on your spirits. Now, for the Air trilogy, that would be Libra, that would be Aquarius, and that would be Gemini. This is the time for you to enjoy the show. You got a lot of energy, but you need to kind of figure out which way you want to play it. So I would suggest finding a lot of your action-oriented friends and seeing what you guys can do to make things happen right now, because it's about cooking and getting things together. Now, I do have a new journal coming out this month called Candle Moons 2010. Now, that's actually going to chronicle how to use your affirmations, how to do your candle work. It breaks down the astrology, what each sign represents, the house, you name it, it works. It's a guaranteed help for 2010 to keep your head from going up your derriere. I will give you more information when that releases because I'm pretty dang excited. Now, I've also been getting a lot of positive feedbacks about the meditation, so look for at least a 5-minute meditation later on this week so we can all keep our calmness about ourselves. Once again, pray for Haiti. They need all the light they can get. This is Ari McIntyre, your roaming psychic friend, and I look forward to speaking with you guys in the future. Ciao.